How to fix Messenger floating video call not working on Android. So if you want to fix the Messenger floating video call not working on your Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings, make sure that you have an internet connection, and you need to scroll down, and here you just need to simply search for display over other apps. So you can simply go with the search icon and then search for display over other apps and tap on that option. Once you tap on it, again tap on the display over other apps and wait for it to load. And here you need to simply choose Messenger, and then you need to allow the display over the other apps. Once you've allowed this, then you will have the floating video call option. So once you've allowed that, now you need to go back and you just need to simply tap and hold on to your Messenger application and then go with the app info. Once you're under the app info, now here you will have picture in picture option. Make sure to allow the picture in picture also. Once you allow that, now you need to go back and you need to go with permissions. Under permissions, make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions that you need. Go with phone and allow the phone permission, phone, photos, microphone, camera, and everything. Once you've allowed everything, now you can do the video call and you will have the floating video call on your Messenger. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.